afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great fifth wheel value from Parkway RV Center. For those of y'all looking for a 2-bedroom fifth wheel, I've got a nice one here today. This is a 2017 Forest River Heritage Glen Lite. Model number is a 368RLBHK. This is a 42-foot long fifth wheel with 4 slides. Ideally set up for families. 2 bedrooms, rear lounge, bunks, outside kitchen, power awning, the works. And looking down at, folks, you can see it's got the HD Max, which is pretty much the fifth wheel version of full body paint. Got alloy wheels. Just a great layout overall for a family. It's 11,300 pounds is what the dry weight is. So of course make sure your truck is equipped to handle that kind of fifth wheel. Got a grill on the back on a swing out arm that comes around here to the outside kitchen with a refrigerator, which I've got pictures of. No delamination. Got the 12-year warranty on the roof. Of course, you know, it's hard to imagine a 42 feet long fifth wheel being called a light model, but there you go. Got some outside speakers with LED lights on it. Looks really good. A little windy out today. But you can see, I mean, the decals, there's no peeling, none of that nonsense. This is a nice fifth wheel for a fraction. For way less than what it cost new just 2 years ago. As a matter of fact, if you'd bought this thing brand new 2 years ago and financed it, I mean, you'd still owe probably close to 50 grand on it. But you got all the slides over here, 3 on this side, 1 on the other. Let's see if I can get around here to show you the corner. Kind of a fat man squeeze there. Corners aren't beat up. This thing shows very little use. I mean, the plastic is still on the TVs inside. And certainly nowhere near enough use to justify losing what the original owners lost on this thing as far as depreciation. Alrighty, let's go around and walk inside here. And I hope you can hear me in this wind because it's pretty bad. And that is one heck of a model number. I want to point that out. 368RLBHK. And how I remember that is beyond me. Whew. I tell you, folks, it's chilly outside today, and it's getting close to the end of April. We're in this, I guess, dogwood winter. But look how much room is in this 2-bedroom fifth wheel. Leather furniture that looks great, no peeling or cracking. Got the theater seating, table and chairs. Got a electric fireplace, which I've got on right now, throwing out some heat because it's a little chilly in here. Big TV, got a built-in DVD player, CD player where you can with inside and outside speakers. Island kitchen, got the solid surface countertops. Stainless steel sink. Great cook's kitchen right here. This is something you can cook a lot of big meals in. Sprayer. Stainless steel appliances, which is a nice touch. 3-burner stovetop, which is a shame. They had this nice kitchen. Didn't look like they used it, but they didn't. High point microwave, more storage, more counter spot, plenty of cooking area. Haven't got it on because I just plugged this thing up real quick to shoot a video, but it's got a 110 electric refrigerator and freezer. It's got 2 ducted air units on top. Got a ducted furnace, and of course that you'd be surprised how much heat that little electric fireplace throws out. I know it's only like 5,000 or 6,000 BTU, but it heats this whole main area up pretty nicely for no longer than I've had it on. And you can set it for the effect too if you didn't want the heat. Got some brushed aluminum fronts on the cabinets that look good. No, that's actually glass. Huh. Got some nice light fixtures in here. You can see up top there that overhead lighting. Got a residential style ceiling fan in here. We're going to step into the second bedroom, which is right here, kind of hidden out of the way. Open in here, and you've got a leather sleeper sofa that makes a double bed, and you've got a bunk on top. Well, you can tell the temperature difference with that fireplace on going in from there to here. And this bunk does pick up for storage if you didn't need it. Across from that, you got a place for a TV, big hanging closet, and good tall roof in here. It's a good floor plan right here. Last floor plan I had like this was a sandpiper, and it sold within 2 or 3 days of the video posting online. I like how that hallway, you get almost a residential style feel in this hallway right here. And you walk toward it, you've got a bathroom on the left. And nice sized bathroom. Got pretty close to a residential size shower in here. At least about as big as you're going to get in a RV of any kind. And you got a big skylight. Stickers are all in good shape. Obviously they haven't used this shower very much. This whole camper, of course, I know it's only 2 years old, so it hasn't had a lot of use, but it just doesn't show any use at all, and there's no smoke or pet odors. Front bedroom, got another TV. Still got the plastic on the TVs, and those are the original TVs that came with it. Queen Island bed. You know, if I had to pick it, it looks like they've had some stuff hanging up in here that they took down and left a couple of holes in the wall, but you know, and that's, you know, that's to be expected, I guess. Got a closet right here. They added some kind of little homemade rack or homemade closet rod right there, and I don't know why in the world they did that, but I don't know if you can see it on camera, but they stuck the nuts and bolts through the bottom of this. You know, I don't understand somebody that can spend this kind of money on a brand new fifth wheel and do some kind of homemade junk like that to it instead of doing it the right way, but people do it. Got washer and dryer hookups, which we can add very, very affordably, and got a big closet in the front. But all in all, this thing's in jam up nice condition, and it's certainly going to save you a ton of money off a new price. And for $34,900, this thing's going to fly off the lot, folks. I mean, a lot of people this time of year are looking for big fifth wheels to set up on property, and you just do not see that many 2-bedroom fifth wheels compared to like rear lounges and front lounges and things like that. So it's a good floor plan, hard to find, and definitely, folks, if you bought this thing brand new, if you just bought one of these brand new, a 2019, and you stumbled across my video of this 17 for $34,900, you'd be sick. You'd be absolutely sick considering what you just spent on a 2019, and this looks identical to it. For, you know, for quite a bit less. But $34,900, haggle free, will trade. If you're interested in this Heritage Glen, give us a call, 706-965-7929. Call before coming to look to verify availability. Got a great selection of used fifth wheels right now. Delivery is available, and yes, we do still offer free local delivery up to 100 miles one way with purchase. So for our neighbors affected by the flooding in Lake Weiss, Alabama, who lost a lot, there's a lot of campers got lost down there. Of course, we deliver down there for free as well. So we'll definitely help you out any way we can. Got a great selection of big fifth wheels, little fifth wheels. You want destination trailers, got plenty of them. More coming. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you go to my website, parkwayrvcenter.com. There I'll have pictures of this RV. I'll have information, exact weights, measurements, tank sizes. All the important information you could ever want about this fifth wheel is on my website, parkwayrvcenter.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, like most of you are, go to the video description below and click on the link. It'll take you to my website. and to my used fifth wheel page, and there you'll find so much more information than what's on the video. The factory sales brochure will be there in PDF format you can study. You study that, you'll know more about it than anybody. And I apologize, folks, I'm kind of doing this one on the fly. I'm just doing a shorter video, and I know this is a little longer than what I've been doing, but this is the nice fifth wheel. It deserved it. I went ahead and plugged it into power and turned the lights on for you. So $34.9 haggle free. You get a 90-day nationwide limited warranty. You get a complete RV component inspection by my certified and trained RV techs. That is done after purchase. If you want to know everything that we inspect, and you're going to be impressed, it's a 4-page checklist. Again, go to my website, parkwayrvcenter.com, or click on the link below if you're watching this on YouTube. Go to the individual listing in a big green thing. It says what we inspect. You can't miss it. Right in the middle of the page underneath the price, what to expect for the option A price. Click on that. Look at that inspection sheet, folks. There is not another dealer out there that's going to take a used RV and put it through the inspection process that we do. It's a more thorough inspection than what's done on them when they're new. I mean, we're going to make sure you take this thing out for the first time, that everything's functioning. You're going to enjoy it. When we get done checking this unit out, which is done after purchase, and you'll be very impressed by that list. Only thing you got to do is load the family up, throw some food and luggage in it, and go to the campground or wherever you're going to put it. Deliveries available, free local delivery, and nationwide deliveries available for a great price. You know, folks, the way we do delivery is simple. We don't make money on delivery. If you need it delivered 1,500 miles away, we're going to charge you what it cost us to deliver it 1,500 miles, pay my driver, and get my truck back home. And not a penny more. So we're going to have the fairest delivery prices we can possibly be, because we're not making profit off of it. But anyway, folks, $34.9 while it lasts. You get the 90-day nationwide limited warranty that we purchase on your behalf. That goes into effect the day you pick it up or the day we deliver it. Also, folks, you get the 90-day, like I said, the warranty. You get that inspection. After this unit's been inspected, my cleaning crew is going to clean it inside and out. Then my service manager, Gordy, going to give it his final stamp of approval. And we will call you to pick up your new-to-you used RV, or Gordy will. Once you arrive here at the appointed time, the tech that checked it out knows it better than anybody else. Going to go through this RV with you, give you a personal one-on-one RV orientation, answering any questions you have, showing you how to operate everything, show you any repairs you had to make, which I doubt there'll be any. And you can record them with your phone or camera if you wish, and that's all included for $34.9, haggle free, out the door, no fees, plus sales tax, of course. And that's it. No surprises, no games, no gimmicks, easy, simple, and done. That's the way we've been doing it for 51 years, folks. We retail 500 to 600 used RVs a year because of our prices and our straightforward way of doing business, because this is our business, folks. Used RVs, fifth wheels, motorhomes, campers, camper vans, whatever else you want to look at. This is what we do for a living, what we've done for over 51 years. We've got it down to an art form. We try to buy only the best, the cream of the crop, and that's what we sell. We go through this RV because the number one fear of anybody buying a used RV is inheriting somebody else's problem. That's why we do the warranty, we do the inspection, we do the orientation. Eliminates that fear, and we do it and still sell our RVs for a very low price. $34.9 haggle free, no matter how you're paying for it. If you do want a discounted price, we do offer an as-is option B price. You'll have to call us for details on that and a price at 706-965-7929. 75-80% of you is going to do option A, and I don't blame you. It's a worry-free, stress-free way of doing it. Everything's ready to go. You can enjoy it, use it, not have to worry about repairing stuff. I'm not going to say you won't ever have to repair something on an RV, because every RV is going to need service work from time to time. That's just the nature of what it is. But, you know, at least you don't have to worry about it for a while. Give us a call, folks, 706-965-7929. Email us, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. 51-year-old family-owned and operated used RV dealership for 3 generations. Folks, we've been here through it all, and we've always been here for you, always going to be. We've got generations of families that buy from us. Some people travel thousands of miles to buy from us, and we certainly appreciate each and every one of you. Subscribe to my channel if you hadn't to already. And folks, I just want to, this will be my last video before Easter, so I just want to wish everybody a happy Easter. It's a great, big holiday for my family, and I hope it is for yours. And let's not forget the 3 most powerful words ever uttered by man in the thousands of years of mankind's existence is He is risen. Thank you again. God bless, and look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.